Y'all, I just opened my YouTube studio and realized I just hit 410. I didn't even know I was at 400. But thank y'all so much. Like, I've been really busy with school, so I haven't been really checking it or posting that often. But thank you guys so much, and I'm so thankful. And we're growing so quickly, and I'm so thankful for that. And I'm thankful for people like you who follow me and support me through everything that I do. And y'all help me come back at the haters. And I love you guys so much. Remember, stay positive, love your body, love yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.